In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page here in Canva. Now, there's a couple of different ways that you can do this, and it all depends on the layout of your canvas. Now, as we can see, under this design, there's a little arrow. Now, clicking on this arrow changes the layout. So if we click on Show Pages, we're now going to have all the pages underneath here. Now, if we click on there again, it hides all those pages. So if you have it on this layout, what we want to do is come up here to the right hand corner of this design, and we can simply click on this duplicate page button. Now, if we click on there, we've now duplicated the page, and now we have two. Now, if we go back and click on this arrow, it hides that extra page, and as you can see, we don't have that option up here. But now we have all of these pages down here in the left hand corner. Now, to duplicate this, we want to make sure that page is enabled. We can tell that by this little purple outline round the design. If we click on the first one, we're going to see it there as well. But what we can do is click onto the three dots and we can duplicate a page. Now, another way to do this is simply clicking onto the design, onto the page. We can then do Command C to copy that design, and then Command V to duplicate that design as well. Now, there's actually another layout. So if we come down to here, to the right hand corner of this canvas, here in Canva, we can click on Grid View. And now, we have all of our pages just here as well. And to duplicate this, we can hover over the page, click onto the page, click on the three dots, come down to duplicate, and now we've duplicated that design. So that's just how easy it is to duplicate pages here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.